Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a hot topic for anyone looking to get their finances in check in 2025. Is Quicken still worth it for financial management or are there better options out there? So, let's start with what our Quicken actually offers. Quicken's been around for decades, and in 2025, it's still one of the most powerful personal financial tools you can get. You can manage budgets, track expense, investments, even rental property finances, all in one dashboard. It also syncs with your bank accounts, which saves a ton of manual input time. Now, if you're someone who wants a detailed report, customized planning, and long term tracking, Quicken does this better than most free apps. The investment tracking is a big win too. It supports performance charts, cost based reports, and portfolio analysis. For serious users, it delivers. But here's where things get a little tricky. Quicken is subscription based, and in 2025, the cost can be a deal breaker for casual users. Plus, it's not cloud native like newer tools. The desktop first approach can feel a little outdated if you want a flexible across all the devices. So, is it worth it? If you are someone who's managing a complex finance or you want powerful reporting tools that go beyond just tracking spending, then yes, Quicken is absolutely worth it in 2025. But if you're just looking for a simple app to manage daily expenses or set small budgets, then you might find better valuable tools like YNBA, Monarch Money, or Mint's alternatives. Alright, guys, that's it for all today deep dive. Let me know in the comments. Are you using Quicken in 2025 or have you made the switch to something else? Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more breakdown like this, and tap the bell so you never miss any update. See you in the next one.